How to recover deleted follow request on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted follow request on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as Account Center. And here inside the Account Center, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Your Information and Permissions. And after that, on the new page, simply tap on the option labeled as Download Your Information. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply choose Download or Transfer Information. And now here, simply select your Instagram account and tap on Next. And now here under how much information do you want, simply select some of your information instead of all data. And after that, simply scroll down to the connections and choose followers and following. And after that, tap on next at the bottom. And after that, you'll be provided with two options: download to device and transfer to destination. From here, simply tap on download to device. And after that, on the next page, you have to filter out date, format, and media quality. And once you're done with all that, you can simply tap on create files. And now after that, Instagram will send you a notification when your file is ready. And once you receive the email, you can download your data and check for your deleted follow request. And that's it. That's how you can recover deleted follow request on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.